Hi everybody. My little sister at age 53 died of a massive heart attack on Wednesday night. We had no warning. We didn't know. She just sat down in her chair and died after dinner. And just a couple days before her birthday. So this year for her birthday, we have a funeral. So what I want to say is thank you to all you subscribers for watching me, and I ask that you be patient and bear with me because I have some things I have to take care of here, and I'm very devastated. And the other thing I want to just say is just love the people you're with. You don't know when they're gonna be snatched from you with all the shootings and the disease and everything going on. Nothing is for real here. It's possible that my sister had a genetic thing that also took my dad suddenly a few years ago. I could go in a day. We don't know. So prioritize what's really important and take care of yourself. I'll see you soon, I hope.